How to automate emails with Mailchimp. So first is first, you need to create an account here on Mailchimp. So basically you can tap on sign up and then try the free version. Or if you have an account already, then tap on the login button right here. And this is what it looks like. So to automate, you have to simply scroll down and look for automation. You will have your option right here to start with your email or your marketing or automate emails by tapping the build from scratch, or you can choose from any of their templates. So for example, I want to choose from any of their templates right here, then I can basically choose from any of the option. So as recommended, I want to try this welcome new contacts. Tap this one, wait for a couple of seconds, and then this is the flow. So for example, if you like this flow right here for your email, automate email, then you can basically tap on use this flow at the right side, wait for a couple of seconds again, and then you can now use this flow for your automate email. And on the left side, you will have here the option. So basically, if you want to add something right here, all you need to do is to tap. For example, if you want to add send SMS or send survey and email, then you can just basically add this actions right here. Once done, then you will see this one. If you're okay with that, then you can probably use their template by tapping select a template, and then you can use from any of the free templates if you are not upgraded to their plan. But I strongly suggest to upgrade to one of their plans. So basically, I'm going to use this for free. I'm going to tap on apply. And then here you can add images, you can change the background color, you can change the background design, font size, font color. You can also add image right here. For example, if you are selling shoes or selling a product, you can add a product right here, or everything is up to you. Once done, tap on save and return to journey. And basically that's it. Now you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to continue. Unfortunately, I'm using the free version, but if you want to use this automation or automate emails here on Mailchimp, you need to simply upgrade your plan. And basically, that's how to automate emails with Mailchimp. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.